Hi, kids! Welcome to Little Explorers Club. Let's learn vehicles. Land, water, air, and space. Ready? Let's go! Hi, I'm Cherry. Where am I? I'm on the road. Vroom, vroom.
Oh no! The ice cream truck is in the desert! Where does the ice cream truck go? To the neighborhood! You got it!
Oh dear! The ambulance is at the playground. Does an ambulance play on the slide? No.
Where does the ambulance go?
To the hospital! You got it! Oh my! The school bus is at the zoo! Does a school bus take animals to class? Where does the school bus go? To the school! You got it!
Oh no! The fire truck is on a cloud! Does a fire truck fly?
No!
Where does the fire truck go? To the fire station! You got it!
Oh my! The train is in a field! Does a train eat grass with the cows? No. Where does the train go? On the railroad tracks! Choo-choo! You got it!
Uh-oh! Here is the yellow submarine! Does a submarine drive on the road?
No!
Where does the submarine go? In the water! You got it!
Oh my! Does a helicopter swim? No! Where does it go? Up in the sky! Brilliant!
Oh my! The happy airplane is in a field! Does an airplane eat grass with the cows?
No.
Where does the airplane go? To the airport runway! Up, up, and away!
Wait a minute. What is that? It's a satellite! Does it go on the road, in the water, or in the sky? No, a satellite goes way, way up. Thank you for watching! We hope you had fun learning about vehicles. Always enjoy your adventures and stay safe and wear a safety helmet. Bye-bye time!